You can make money or profits in the yam market during the yam season even without planting a single yam in your farm, even without having a yam farm. How you can do it is what is being shown in this video now. What you need to do is to identify the time when yam is surplus in the market. Go to the market where the yam is surplus and then buy the yam in bulk. You can see the yam are being packed here in 120 by 120. Each heap is 120 yams, tubers. So what you need to do is to get money, buy 120 in different places depending on the amount of money you have, and then you can take home, and if you can preserve it, you can. If you cannot preserve it, you can start yam frying business. You can start yam boiling business. You can start different businesses that have to do with yam. Many people in the city will not come to this kind of market. They are busy with one thing or the other. You can even start a yam porridge selling business. You can do pounded yam business where you pound yam and then you make the yam to be you add it with soup and then people can eat it. There are other things you can do with yam. You can roast the yam whereby it's roasted as if you are roasting maize, and then you are going to enjoy it and your buyers are going to enjoy it and they are going to pay you and they keep coming back. You can also sell the yam raw. You buy it from this market at a cheap rate. You take it home or to your shop and then you put somebody in the shop. All you need to do is to get somebody that will follow you to the market, get the yam, you take it to the shop and tell them how much they are going to sell it, and then you go off and then they make the sales and then they get back to you. Make sure that anybody you are putting in your shop is an honest individual. You have to try them, you have to test them, and then you are going to get honest people, and make sure that you pay them well so that they will not cheat you. So enjoy the other side of the market side and the market communication, and then think of what you're going to do. Personally, I went to all this length to bring this live video to you so that you can know that what I'm talking about on this channel is not a joking matter. It is a serious matter, and you are not a graduate, you can do it. You are a graduate, you can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. The important thing is that you need to make money to take care of yourself and your family. If you go to the market, nobody will ask you, where did you get your money from? Is it from yam business? Is it from office work? Is it from white collar job? Or is it from brown collar job? The important thing is when you get to anybody you want to buy anything from, any goods or service, they will ask you to pay. They will not ask you where you got the money you are paying from. So don't be ashamed of doing this kind of job, because it is going to make you to become profitable. Àmàlà jumbo mi náà kí ló dé.
Is that not
Àmàlà jumbo mi náà kí ló dé.
Is that not